Hello YouTube, today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing this new device for my television, the Roku 3. So, Angry Birds Space, you can get Spotify, I think I have a lot of those things. Let's open it then. Yeah, I just undid the cellophane seal before I YouTubed it, because it took away, oh there's another one. My YouTube, this is just a job for my super strength-ish. I know. Do give me a second. Be right with you. So, there's a jack in my remote. What's that? Yeah. So, yep, there we go. So if I just shove it down here, the top would lift off. Sorry if you see any hairs on my floor. I haven't hoovered up here in ages. Oh, hi, let's get started. Wow, this thing is tiny. So we have the Roku device. It looks a lot like that Now TV thing that I got. I don't think I have that anymore. I'll just take its little plastic wrapping off it. Wrapped up in a lot of plastic. There we are. So please comment if anyone else has a Roku 3 or any kind of Roku and tell me if you like it. So, USB cable, HDMI. So as a headphone slot right there. USB is on that side, I think. Yeah. Here. Now let's see the remote. Okay. Let's take the wrapping off it. So, A, B. Where's the on-off button? Obviously don't. Oh! Duracell batteries. How nice of them to supply you with your own batteries that you can probably use for the remote, I'm guessing. I don't think the Roku's battery powered, is it? It must be sounding really crazy. Well, it's a streamer, so I wouldn't think it's battery powered. I'm just opening up these batteries. No tools required. Well, apart from my really blunt pencil. Now, let's fit the batteries. I'll just slide the little cover off. There we are. So, this goes in. It's quite hard to do one-handed. And I can't even see what I'm doing. I can only really see it through the camera. Give me a minute while I just shove that on. There we go. And let's get the other one. Shove that on. Now, let's shove our lid back on. Ta-da! Oh, it's flashing. Okay. What do I do? Oh, that's speaking. Switch off! Right, this looks like a job for the instruction manual. Oh yeah, this is the only thing to wrap up really tightly. And a little Roku player important product. Let's just see this. What's in the box? Power adapter, nope, don't have that. In-ear headphones, don't have that. And that green light is still flashing. Let's see. Extra. Negative sides. We don't have one of those cables unless it's... How dumb, I never knew they were actually behind there. So we have some lovely Roku headphones for our latest... Oh, the headphones just went everywhere. Let's untie them with the tie cord. Ah, that looks pretty nice. Purple headphones. Oh, and here's our plug, if you could call it that. ECM. That just goes in there. Right, and where does the headphones go? Sorry YouTube, this is a really bad video. How do we switch this remote off and get those lights stopping? Well, it shouldn't be flashing now. Just taking the batteries out. I need to tell my dad. Right, so where'd you plug your headphones in? Let me just put that down a minute. I'll see if I can figure it out. Is there maybe some kind of slot? Well, where you plug your power in, that's not where you plug your headphones in. Oh, they go on the side of the remote. Wait, what? I don't see. Do you connect this one up to your TV, and then you can either have the sound through your ears or the sound through your TV? Is that what you do? Please help me on this. So that's all the packaging. I better keep it all. Even all the defungled bits. And there's that packaging. It says this is going to be fun. I think it will be. There's a load of specific things we want to do on this Roku as well, which I won't go into. If anyone that knows me will probably know what they are. So let's undo this tie cord for the flex. And I'll take it down to my father, who will then do something to it. So thank you for watching this bad unboxing of the Roku 3. Thank you and bye.